coolness in the heat? We leave our parched minds. We were all given to drink of one Spirit. The presence of the Spirit provides a refreshment to our spirits, similar to that of a drink of fresh, cool water.